In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo on Shopify with some must-know tips that are essential as of 2025. We're going to walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to enhance your e-commerce store's marketing capabilities seamlessly. First, it all begins with creating a Klaviyo account. To get started, open your browser and go to the Klaviyo website at www.klaviyo.com. Once you're there, look for the option to create an account. Click on it and you'll need to provide some information. Enter your email address and follow through by clicking Create Account. You'll then be prompted to fill in some basic details, your name, your business's name, and the URL of your website. Make sure all the information is accurate, as these are vital for setting up your account smoothly. Once your account is up and running, the next step involves integrating Klaviyo with your Shopify store. Start by navigating to your Klaviyo account dashboard. In the upper right corner, click on your account name to bring up a drop-down menu. From here, select the option for integrations, then click on Add Integrations. In the search bar, type Shopify, and when the Shopify card appears, click on it and then hit Install. Now here's an important part: you'll need your Shopify store URL. This typically looks something like mystore.myshopify.com. Copy your store's URL and paste it into the provided field on Klaviyo, then click Connect to Shopify. This action will redirect you to your Shopify account. If you're not already signed in, you might be prompted to log in, so have your Shopify credentials handy. You'll then see a screen with permission requests. It's crucial to review these to ensure you're comfortable with them. Once you've reviewed everything, click Install App. After the installation, you'll find yourself back in Klaviyo, where a final step awaits. Confirm the integration by clicking Integrate on the Klaviyo integration settings page. This seals the link between Klaviyo and Shopify, paving the way for your data to start syncing. You'll be back at the integration settings page once this is done, and that's it. Once you've completed these steps, Klaviyo will begin syncing your Shopify data automatically. This integration allows you to leverage Klaviyo's powerful marketing tools, enabling you to create tailored marketing campaigns based on your Shopify store's customer activity. Do remember, if you ever run into any issues, Klaviyo support is just a click away, and they have a range of resources to help you troubleshoot and refine your marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. Happy marketing!